way to Charleston, South Carolina. This is for a graduation shoot. It's gonna be a documentary, it's gonna be long. Excited to bring you guys along with me.
Might lose my jacket and hit a solo one time.
Okay, look a snack with you want.
Yeah. Alright, so I got a gallon of water, all my camera gear, clothes, and slight snacks. I don't usually use the app Waze, but for long trips, yes I will. It shows you where the police are, the tolls, everything that you need to know about the road. Didn't wear earrings. I haven't been fond of jewelry lately. Might wear something slight like this little necklace right here, but nothing too crazy. 5 and below, got this little gadget thing for my phone, so I could just like have it right there. I got the magnetic one this time. Normally I don't get the magnetic one, but this time I got the magnetic one, so we're gonna see how well this works. This joint actually perfect. Like, look, they just got the little metal piece in the back, and just boom. How'd y'all even get here before me? That's crazy. This is a pretty nice spot. View is absolutely amazing. Wow. Yeah, so it's an overnight trip. It's really just one day. You know, I'm not gonna act like trips like this happen often. They've been getting a lot more frequent in my life lately. I definitely wanted to document these and, you know, put them on my YouTube channel for future reference. Running a business is a lot more like taking care of a child. It needs a lot of attention. I have currently 2 businesses and I'm trying to make it 3. The first 2 is videography and photography, which I put together as one just because I want it to just be under one brand. So just one thing, a lot of times if somebody asks for photos, I'll try to package a video with it. I can keep those 2 together. And then my second business is Connect Cartoons, graphic design, flyers, personal branding, graphics, packages for YouTube, as well as album covers. And then the last business is going to be the apparel business, which is slowly but surely getting to where I want it to be. The apparel is probably the hardest right now because I gotta find the most efficient way to do this. I don't want to just go and jump into selling random stuff, but I want to actually tailor specific things to my brand that will make the customer feel a lot more appreciated. So getting those logos stitched onto everything, you know, finding those products that go great with cameras and stuff like that. It's definitely not easy. One of the hardest things that I've done, but it's yielded so much amazing things so far. You know, it's not always been a lot of bookings, a lot of traveling, a lot of invites and stuff like that. A lot of it was, a majority of it up until this point was me sitting behind my computer editing videos and taking photos, editing photos. So, and a lot of it still is that. I feel like because my social media looks the way it does, I kind of glorify benefits a lot more than the hard work. But there is a lot of hard work that goes behind drawing those graphics, editing these videos. So other than that, guys, welcome to my series Behind the Business. Just got a fresh retwist. Yeah, so tonight, a little party scene. Tomorrow, graduation stuff, and then the dinner at nighttime. It's what this trip is, what this vlog is. I'm slowly but surely putting the vlogs that I did for the last 2 years back on my YouTube channel. You know, I privated all those videos just because I felt like some of them weren't up to par. So I'm going through those slowly but surely every day and adding new vlogs on my YouTube channel. So if you want to scroll all the way down to my older videos, there are some of them still on there that show who I was when I was younger. So go ahead and check those out. I have a card pop up just for you guys. If you've ever wondered how I set my Instagram photos up, I use this little contraption here, and then I set up my scene, and then I use my Apple Watch. My Apple Watch has a live feed of what's going on in the area, like a rough cut. I thrift a lot. Look at these pants. 10 bucks. These are 14, 12 bucks. I like deals, okay? I like a deal. 3 pair of pants. 3 pair of pants for around $30-something.
Come in, have a good one.
Thank you so much. Alright, so now I'm on my way to the client. I'm going to meet them now. Apparently they're going out tonight and they want me to come and meet everybody. Yeah, so I'll get some food tonight before I hit the hotel again. That'll be the first day.
Jerry, nigga, you ain't ballin', you just talking, that's that commentary. I was in the field, man, I slayed for this. Had to talk to God.
So it's day 2 out here in South Carolina. Packing up my stuff now. I gotta check out by 12 o'clock and it is currently 11:30. So I got 30 minutes. And now I'm about to head to the graduation. He's probably already there, but the rest of the family is still waiting on me and everybody else to get together, so we can just all ride out to the graduation together. So there I'm gonna be primarily working. Thank you for sticking with me. This is episode 3 of Behind the Business. I'm glad. I feel like I'm so happy that I've put some purpose behind my vlog, because I know I'm a great vlogger. I know I can edit a great vlog. So to have an opportunity now to put some purpose behind my own vlogs is wonderful, and I'm glad that I have you specifically, because I've been having nothing but support and love for a very long time from a lot of people. So you know, even if you don't comment, you just like the video, that is enough. Thank you for whatever you do, whatever support that you have for my brand and business, for me as an individual. I appreciate you, and I appreciate that, because the future looks very bright. Very comfortable stay. Stars in my opinion. Setting up to head to the graduation now. He has a projector. We're going to use the projector to project this tribute to his mother that I created before I got here. You know, a nice piece to add to the family weekend. You know, my condolences. You know, losing a mother is never easy. Well, I just want to say, absolutely beautiful campus. This place is stunning. Just to see black folk getting law degrees out of a university like this, absolutely love it. And it is a pleasure being able to do this documentary. I mean, look at this view. Imagine going to school here. Believe it or not, that was my first time going to a higher level education graduation, and it was very nice to see so many new black lawyers going into the force, and got some food. Look at this view. This has been one of my favorite trips of 2018, just because it was strictly business. So, strictly business. I'm literally here to do what I love and what I have a passion for, which is like storytelling and documentary and stuff like that. So, this has been a wonderful experience, and I hope that in the future I can get paid to travel and record just like this. Come on now, for real, for real. Gotta get the drone out. This is the cake. This is a really nice cake. Law student. This is well thought out. I like this. Other than that, tables are set up very, very well nice. Just took my drone up for a little bit. Definitely had to catch this sunset with the boat. Took a few pictures and I got a few videos to add to the documentary and then some stuff for my Instagram. Alright guys, so this wraps up the episode. Thank you guys for rocking with me once again. It was an honor working with this family. You know, the trials, the tribulations, seeing another black man become something so great, you know, from so young to so influential in people's lives. And that really left a positive impact on me. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.